The Virtual Vcampro KYC masters work all KYC bypass verify system. If you want this APK, then click the link in description, WhatsApp and Telegram.
Now I open the Virtual Vcampro KYC masters. First of all, I want open browser and paste my Amazon Pay verify ID links. Now I wait and open it. It's open. Now this is Amazon verify identity. Now first of all, I click the national ID cards. It's open. Allow this. Now it's working. Virtual Vcampro. When it's open, it's NID cards uploaded. First I selected my photos, videos, so that I try to understand this work any KYC bypass verification. I just test it. I'm not verified, then it's tested, it's work easy and better. First I rotate. Now I change my video, so I click and change VIP source. Then I select any my ID card. Okay, not of this ID card. I change the method, camera settings. The back you choose a local picture. Then I choose my ID card. Where is the ID card? This I select this and save. Wait for a moment. When it's success, then back. The Virtual Vcampro, it's work any KYC bypass verification systems. The new update version looks, it's just needed refresh. Then I back and reopen. Okay, take a photo, allow, show you. Let's open my ID card. Refresh it, plus when it's open my ID card, then verify it again. Then I back again and close. That's my apps. First I select the video local picture, choose the local picture and select my ID card. Done and save. Okay, then I stop it and close the tabs. Then it works very easy. Close the tabs. Okay, now I open again Virtual Vcampro. Login and click and browser. Then paste my identity verify links that open Amazon, and I click national ID card. Select my national ID card, take a photo. Looks my ID card is showing. Just set up, not a filed ID card. It's just download website and click this. Just set up it. Rotate screen. Set up its man head set up. Then click. It's verify success. Keep it ready. Okay, this is the process. National ID card verification, selfie upload, UVA, DVD, bank account, all of them works. Thanks for